If your Chime SpotMe limit is unavailable or has decreased, the primary fix is to ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements, particularly having a recent qualifying direct deposit. And here are the main reasons your SpotMe limit may not be available and how you can fix them. First is you no longer meet the qualifying direct deposit requirement. You must receive at least one qualifying direct deposit, $200 or more into your Chime checking account within the last 34 days to remain eligibility, and ensure that your direct deposits from an employer, payroll provider, or government benefits payer are consistently sent to your Chime account. Your eligibility and base limit will be restored once a new qualifying direct deposit is posted. Now, you can also check if you have manually set a lower safe limit. You may have set a personal maximum within the app that is lower than your actual eligible limit. Open your Chime and go to SpotMe Hub and check the safe limit setting. If it's toggled on, use the slider to adjust it to a higher amount or turn off the toggle. That's how you can fix if your Chime SpotMe limit is not available, and thank you for listening.